super windy out here, but I'm going to make some pottery glaze. My first time trying. Protective equipment is important. I'm going to make ash glaze. I got this giant bucket of ashes that I sifted. Some feldspar. All my color additives. Scale. And let's see how this goes. So, a 100-gram batch. Pretty easy to calculate. I'm not going to have any color, but that's it. It's going to be half and half actually. Yeah, okay. Grams of ashes. This copper part. It's on here. 2 grams. So hopefully one of these comes out good. They're all mixed up. Just added some water, whatever looked best to me. And this one's actually supposed to be dark green. The redness of it worries me, but we'll see. Get them on some test tiles. If one of them's worth the damn, I'll be happy. Here we go. I'll show you the results of those glazes I mixed up. This is the first one I mixed up. Ash number 1. It's got a little bluish green tint to it. Here it is on red clay. Here it is mixed with celadon blue on a red clay. Here it is mixed with celadon blue on buff clay. Here's the second one I mixed. This one actually just looks like ashes. On a buff clay. On the red clay though, it's kind of a cool effect. And here it is mixed with celadon blue. This one looks pretty cool. Celadon, I know this is frosted lemon and ash glaze number 2 on a buff clay. Actually turned out pretty neat. Here's number 3, the green one. This is with cobalt. You can see the metal buff. Here it is on red clay. This is number 4. Basically just like a clear matte. I don't think I added any colorant to this, maybe a little rutile. I like this one. This one turned out pretty cool. This is number 5. It's like a, it had red iron and copper carbonate in it. On the buff clay, it looks pretty cool. It's got like a deep red color. I kind of like it. But there they are.